Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Suzuki GSX R 1000, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto, the Adventure Force edition. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Suzuki GSX R 1000 replica comes in a clamshell card type box, which is a standard boxing of the Adventure Force edition by Maisto. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite stunning and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and functionality of this 118 scale Suzuki GSX R 1000 diecast replica. And please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. And stay tuned for some fun facts about the Suzuki GSX R 1000 coming up. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Suzuki GSX R 1000, and I'm glad that I got this model to add to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Suzuki enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Suzuki GSX R 1000 replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this Suzuki motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Suzuki GSX R1000 coming up. The Suzuki GSX R1000 is a sports bike from Suzuki's GSX R series of motorcycles. It was introduced in 2001 to replace the GSX R1100 and is powered by a liquid-cooled 988cc inline 4-cylinder 4-stroke engine. For 2001, Suzuki introduced a new GSX R model that replaced the largest and most powerful model of the GSX R series sports bike, the GSX R1100, with the all-new GSX R1000. As the model name revealed, the engine cylinder displacement was roughly 1000 cc, about 100 cc smaller than its predecessor. The GSX R1000 was not just an enlarged version of the GSX R750. Although it shared many features with its little brother, the mainframe is the same in both models, but the material used on the bigger brother was 5 mm thicker. The 2017 model, introduced to reporters at the EICMA in late 2016, had a significantly redesigned engine since the last engine update on the 2009 model. This new engine had a higher RPM limit and no balancer shaft to quell vibration. Also a mechanical variable valve timing used for 10 years by Suzuki in MotoGP and drive-by-wire throttle. And for further information on the Suzuki GSX R1000, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Suzuki GSX R1000 replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Suzuki diecast replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.